Greetings family, this is your brother in the kingdom, Emmanuel Destiny. Welcome to yet another valuable episode in the Forex Beginner series. Anyway guys, today we're talking about trade or rather demonstrate your way to success. It's a very underrated subject, but I want to emphasize on it, and hopefully this video is going to help you as a beginner trader. And of course, if you're a first-time viewer, please kindly subscribe, like, and also share this video with other people so that it can help the algorithm to reach everybody. Okay, anyway, we're just gonna get into the information right after the introduction. So we're talking about demonstrate your way to success. So let's just, before we can get into the actual content, we just want to define a demo account and the importance thereof. So a demo account, the full word there is demonstration account, which simply means that this is a free account, zero risk account, where you can basically practice your trading methods and strategies and be confident in trading. Then you can move on to a real life account. But many of us, we feel the rush and we don't feel the need to actually be on a demo account because we straight up want to make money. But I wish I had actually put more time on my demo account. And here are the reasons why you should actually do that. Do not jump the steps. It's actually better to be in the right direction even if your pace is a bit slower. It's worse if you're even running in the wrong direction. Many of us will want a rich quick scheme, and we get in straight into the real accounts and we start losing money that we cannot even afford to lose, which makes the process even much longer and even more painful. So you watching this video, you better listen carefully right now. So the importance of trading a real account, guys, number one is that it develops, of course, your skill set about the market, knowing how to operate things as a beginner trader, knowing the risk involved, and knowing how it actually looks in the real markets. But a lot of us want to undermine that because of how Forex has been over-marketed to us, has been oversold to us to say, well, you're just going to come in and you're just going to deposit small and make big amounts. You cannot jump the process, guys. The process is the manufacturing phase for you in order to handle what you're going to be on a real account. So number one, what is the benefits rather of trading a demo account, of practicing? Number one, it makes sure that you can identify what kind of trader you are. So a lot of people will jump into the markets and we don't know exactly our identity as a trader. And what do I mean by that? There are two schools of traders. There's scalpers, there's intradayers, even as well as the swing traders. Many of the people don't have a clear understanding of who they are, and definitely they just get carried by the wind and they just trade anytime they feel like they don't know exactly the direction they should take. So you want to go through the process where you discover yourself, what's good for you, and also according to your schedule, right? Number two, you want to realize which pairs are good for you. So in a demo account, you can explore as much, you can risk as much, and you must know which pairs are good for you, when do they move, in which trading sessions are best for you. And then afterwards, once you have chosen them, you can become what we call a trade specialist. From then on, at least 2 or 3 pairs that you're going to be specializing in most of the time. Number three, it will also help you to what we call a thought process, to develop what we call a thought process. Many people jump into a real account and they have not developed their thought process of trading to say, what do you think when you see a setup, when you see the market? Are you just going to jump straight into the market without actually mastering those emotions and thoughts that make you execute a trade? That what confluences are you seeing? So basically what I'm saying is that you must develop a skill set, but all of that psychology is in your demo account as well, guys. It must help you, number four, to master your emotions as a trader. A lot of people jump the process. Yes, you can buy our trading system, you can go through mentorships or watch our videos of trading Nasdaq at New York Stock Exchange and get it right. But if you don't get the emotions right and you jump that stage, it's gonna catch on with you at the later stage when you're higher. And it's better to fall when you're a little bit down rather than when you're higher. It's more painful. So it's very much important that we can actually not jump the process. God is still manufacturing you, even if it takes you longer, 3 to 4 years, guys. Just like me, I started trading in 2017. I'll plug the picture, guys, don't laugh at me. But now you can actually see that it took me longer, 5 to 6 years for me to get to this level. I was not comparing myself. I was moving by my own pace, because what matters is that I moved in the right direction. Speed without direction is useless. Many of us want to arrive before we depart. Stay on your demo account. Be a patient trader until you've built up a very solid trading system, way, and the right thought process. Then you can jump on to a real account. And of course, this will get you into you being on your way to success. By the time you get into a real account, you actually become more successful. It's gonna become easier because you went through the process. But if you jump the process, definitely you are gonna pay the price. Thank you guys for watching this episode. Thank you so much, guys. Anyway, catch us on the next one. Please kindly do subscribe, like, and also share this video if this information really blessed you.